How to share and move a project in CapCut PC. What is up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily share or move your project in CapCut PC. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open any existing project or create a new one. I already have my project here, so I'll just open it up. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and click on export. Now you can see all of the details about your file here, where it is stored. So here is your path. And if I just go ahead and click on this export tab, I can just go ahead and start exporting. So let's just export it. Wait for a bit to completely export. Now, once the video has been exported, you'll find your location, file location, by clicking on this open folder option. And it's going to open up your folder where your video is saved. Once your folder is open, find the video. So we can find the video name on top here. So let's just go ahead and find that. So we have this video right here. So this is the video. Now you can either move it. So what you can do is Control C. You can also check the path of the video. So I'll just go ahead and Control C, copy this and move it to my desktop. And once you move it to your desktop, you can right click on it. Now, if you want to share this to other people, what you can do is just go ahead and right click on this file. Once you've done that, you could just go ahead and create a zip file for this. Right click on it and then click on compress. Now you can compress this to a zip file. You can share this zip file to anyone you want. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.